Hello everyone, welcome to the another day of the daily Barbani challenge. I'm very glad to see you in here. Before getting started, I'm going to talk about some comments that you write for me, and after that we getting continue and talk about something and maybe some modifications, maybe some changes applied on these series of video that leads us to create better and how can I tell that? With more quality to go and learn together. Okay. The first one is about these comments that said very bad quality of video made by new mic. We could relocate your webcam, remove that green text over your head, and I'm sure you'll gain more success on YouTube. Wish you all the best. At the first, thank you for the comment. I appreciate it. And you're right. I'm going to remove the green text, even the that green box, and I'm going to change the I'm going to recall relocate my camera, and I hope soon as possible going to change my new mic to have a better quality, and then after that, thank you for your comment. Okay, another one is it was a, it was a bit boring to watch the whole series. Maybe if you summarize this amount from the notes you took, it would be easier to understand. Thanks for the videos. Okay, it's very good, and yeah, I'm going to. Today is the day 30. Okay, for tomorrow I'm going to update. Oh, I'm going to upload the a video of the whole this month, and I hope cover everything that we done in this month, and it's great. Thank you for the comments. And the last one, some friend asked for the can I get the DX Docker file? Is it available somewhere? Yeah, I answered that I'm going to upload in somewhere, and I'm going to tell you. So let's do that. Okay. I'm going to upload the file in this path, and I'm going to put in today's v vx worker, sorry, tool. I'm going to story to put in here, and that's it. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your comments. It's very helpful and helped me to fix my bugs, and that's it. And about this one, I'm going to skip all the same repetitive works that I'm going to do for this month. And if anything new happen, if I'm going to new place, if new asset found, then I'm going to record to you have a more, how can I tell that, to have not boring video to watch. So I'm going to start my day, and I hope you enjoy the rest of these sweets. Thank you. So guys, after spending some times on this program, after I'm going to do manually walking through the targets, and let me show you. And after some as you can see in here, after click on, sorry, after clicking on all the links on the page and after check all the functionalities, I'm going to arrive to some interesting endpoint and find some new assets like you can see in here, like this domain takeawaypay.com, and after click on each, how can I tell that, each URLs in here and trying to get forward and see is there any endpoint that is interesting like this one, and trying to doing pause on it and going forward and see other assets. Finally, as I tell you, we are up to this endpoint, and let me show you in here. Trying to create that I can create, try to find out that I can create some other type of accounts with other privilege or not, like create a seller or a store user or even partner user. It's also referred as the admin. As you can see, I'm going to create add the section let's in here and regular user login. This is the login steps, and normal login that we enter the email and then send us an OTP email, OTP code, and then we enter that code, and then we can log in with Google, we can log in with Facebook, and that there is some restriction in here that is even if we log in with the Google or Facebook, we can change the email, not you, sorry. And in the continuous, we trying to see what we can do in the corporate or business or that partner. We can use the get started feature that is the self applied that gets our name, address, the store type, what kind of business we're going to do with each other, and then that's it. And I try to again read this book and get help from this, and it's very helpful because of this book and the chapter 2. I'm going to again doing the manual walking through the application, but in the backyard I'm going to enable the purchase function, and I think I forgot to add another one that is a, sorry, what is the name? Reflex tool. Oh, I think I should add from here. Oh, jeez. Sorry. These two, the reflector and the burp.js link finder. And this is the history of the proxy, and I trying to check each one and see is there any interesting API in here or not. And as you can see, I trying to some check and see what happened, and that's it. That's it for today. For tomorrow, I'm going to continue the process and going forward for doing the same effort to other asset to see if there is another endpoint that is different from the base code or not. I hope you enjoy this video. Tomorrow I'm going to record a summary video of all these 30 days, and although I'm going to continue the day 31 and it's okay, and that's it. Another point that I'm going to tell you, the live sessions, I I've decided to start live sessions, daily live sessions in the Discord, but if I don't start it, and I don't know what bullets should I cover in that live, but I've got I've got some messages like doing a step out of the wide recon and focus on the web application. Also, instead of legacy applications, going forward to the modern web applications. It's cool, but as you can see, I'm a newcomer to this field and I'm going to learn and struggling with this concept. Even I'm I don't know how I should do some works in here. But after this series, after I'm going to start the daily mini lives on the Discord, and after some weekly live on Sundays, I'm going to work on the modern web applications, and I think it's cool. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. You can reach me via the social links, and you can join uh, my Discord server and ask your question in the server, and that's it. I hope you have a good night or good day. See you tomorrow.